Hi, this is the Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So you just hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then tap to the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. To add a widget, you should just hold it and drag it to your home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to resize it you should hold it for a while, and after that you should make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon by this way. Hold it and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.